Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I'm so sorry that it's taken me so long to come back. I had all these big plans and over the Christmas break, and I said to you, oh, I'm only going to be away for a few weeks and I'll be back in January. It all went out the window when one, I got a big commission with a brand that I love working with, so I've been working really hard on that. And then on top of that, basically our whole household got ill. I've been okay. I've been sort of like carrying the colds and the flu-y things, and I seem to have sort of like escaped it. But one by one, everyone's been going down, and it's just been in our house now, basically since the new year. So my mum's been ill as well, so I've had no childcare of recent. So it's all been a bit of a stress. But today, the boys are, well, both of them are napping actually because they're both really poorly. So I thought I would run to the shed and film a video so that you don't think that I'm not coming back, because I am coming back. Sadly, I'm not doing a tutorial today for obvious reasons, but because of everything going on, I've sort of prioritised a new PDF pattern that I'm going to release on the website really soon. I'm hoping that by the time this video is up this weekend, I will have all the links in the description for you, fingers crossed, where you can download this, because my next PDF pattern is to make this adorable cube doorstop with a little pocket where you can like hide little things in there. I just think also for kids' rooms it's like a really fun little doorstop to have, and they can put like, I don't know, something cute in there. But yeah, just a really fun, simple project. I've actually used my friend Narissa's fabrics from her brand, the Bargello Edit, and I'm really happy with how it looks. Obviously, I think this is actually cotton poplin, so I've obviously stabilised it with iron-on, like very firm weight iron-on interfacing. But I just really love the patterns on it, and I think it looks so funky. So yeah, I'm happy with this, but this is my next PDF pattern. There will be, as part of the pattern and the instructions, a very simple video tutorial of the step-by-step so that you also have a video with it, because that's what I really love doing with the PDFs, is having video content alongside it so that, you know, you can visually see it. Because I definitely think as a beginner, I'm a visual learner myself, and when I was teaching the sewing school, a lot of people learning to sew and people who have sort of a creative side to their brain, visual learning definitely goes in quicker than just sort of like reading a step-by-step. So yes, I thought that would help you, and then as you're going along you have like a video and a step-by-step to read. So yeah, I'm excited about that, and I'm really happy with how this one turned out. Obviously I've made quite a few samples. It's actually something that I created in the sewing school a while ago, and a few of our after school club kids actually made them. So if you like to sew with your grandchildren or children and you are looking for a project like that you can do with them, then this is another one that, you know, there's a lot of technical sewing in it, but it's also not too technical that it puts them off, and it sews up a little bit faster than a few homeware projects. So, and it looks, you know, like a substantial item to make, rather than getting them to make really small things, or, you know, like a simple cushion cover or something. So yeah, that will hopefully, fingers crossed, if I get a few more random naps like this when I can escape, I will have that up for you very soon. I hope you're all well. I hope none of you have been hit by lurgy after lurgy, but I'm hoping that this is the last one now, because it's starting to warm up here in Dorset and it's getting a bit milder. We've had a bit more rain, but a bit more sun, so that's always a good sign, because it means that the sun is just going to get rid of all the colds in the area. That's what I hope anyway. So I hope you're all fine and well, and you've had a good new year so far. January's gone now. It's the last day of January tomorrow, for me anyway, right this second. It's the last day of January tomorrow, so that's it. We're done with Jan. Let's get rid of that month, because I'm a January lover normally, because I'm very much a new year, fresh start. I love that. But this January has definitely been, from the first week of Jan was nice, and then the rest of it not nice. So I'm looking forward to February now. So I will see you hopefully next weekend for another video. Happy handmade, everyone.